Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys kitchen. Today we are going to make special jackfruit curry. You just need only 30 minutes for the preparation. Let's move to the video. In a pan, take 3 cups of chopped jackfruit pieces. Also take 1/4 cup of chopped jackfruit seeds. Then add 1 cup of water, 3/4 teaspoon salt. Mix it well. After mixing, close the lid and switch on the flame. Cook for 10 minutes on medium flame. Now open the lid and give a stir in between every 2 minutes.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
In the meanwhile, we can make the grinded mixture. In a grinder jar, take 1 cup of grated coconut. Then add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon cumin seeds, 1/4 cup of water to it. Grind it nicely. We don't need a paste. After 10 minutes, open the lid. Jackfruit has cooked well. Now add previously grinded coconut mixture. Also add 3/4 cup of water, 1/4 teaspoon salt. Mix it well. Close the lid and cook for 5 minutes on low flame. After 5 minutes, switch off the flame. For seasoning, in a pan take 1.5 tablespoon oil and heat it. When the oil is hot, add half teaspoon mustard seeds. Then keep it low flame and add 2 dry red chilies cut into halves, 2 to 3 chopped garlics, 3 sliced shallots, some curry leaves, 1/4 cup of grated coconut. Saute it until it becomes light golden color. When it changes its color, add 2 teaspoon pepper powder. Mix it well. Cook for a minute on low flame. Now add the cooked jackfruit to it. Mix it well. Cook for a minute. Switch off the flame. Special jackfruit curry is ready. You just need only 30 minutes for the preparation.
Before skipping, please consider subscribing to my channel. Click here to watch the most recent video. I hope you will really like it. Click on top for non-vegetarian recipes or click below for vegetarian recipes. For all other interesting videos like snacks, South Indian recipes, North Indian recipes, desserts, drinks, please check the description box below.